And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over weed and dealers, the latest BNB miner that just hit the markets. Let's mine some BNB and relax. But before we get started, make sure to come check out my channel for the latest DeFi projects. These are time-sensitive videos, and a lot of these projects I release right before they launch or right at launch to make sure to be first in line for that passive income. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell. Let's go back to the project. This is the latest BNB miner, weed and dealers. Hire dealers, earn BNB, repeat forever. Let's take a look at the app and then we'll go over the tokenomics. At the top, you have the contract balance. There's currently 74 BNB. Here it shows how many BNB you have in your wallet. I only have 0.426 BNB, and I did recently hire some dealers. Before you get started, you connect your wallet here, you connect your MetaMask, and we're set. Here you enter the amount of BNB you would like to deposit. This is part of the Binance Smart Chain network, and you hire the dealers, and the dealers will earn you those daily BNB rewards, which they call weed. Here you can rehire more dealers, or here you can sell your weed for those pending BNB rewards. Here are the weed and dealer statistics. Daily returns, 8%, APR, 2,920%. The dev fee is 8%, the treasury fee is 2%. We're seeing a number of BNB miners hit the markets, and all of these miners have been sustainable. The longest running miner project has been running for about 5 months. I've been dabbling on some of these projects and the rewards are real. You can withdraw or rehire at any time, but there is a strategy which we'll go over in a bit. If you scroll down, you will have your referral link here so that you can share it with your buddies. Earn 12% of the BNB used to hire dealers from anyone who uses your referral link. The referral rewards are sent to your pending rewards. Please note, you cannot unstake, only withdraw earnings. So there is a sunk cost. Once you deposit those tokens are gone, but you very easily recoup those tokens with those daily high yield rewards. And then after that, you will continuously earn rewards for the duration of the project. Here are the tokenomics. Rewards can be reinvested and withdrawn daily. That's the beauty of these projects. You have access to those tokens on a daily basis. To ensure the max rewards, 8%, they suggest the following strategy. You do have to follow the strategy if you want the maximum rewards. If you don't invest based on this strategy, those rewards will be reduced. Hire the dealers with the rehire button 6 days out of the week and sell weed 1 day out of the week. It's that 6-1 strategy we've been seeing. 6 days out of the week, you recompound as much as you would like, and on the 7th day, you claim those rewards. And that is the backbone of these projects. That's how they're being sustained. Every deposit/withdrawal has a base tax of 8% to ensure contract longevity, along with an insurance fee listed below. So those taxes are for the sustainability of the project. There is a 2% insurance fee used to fund the insurance treasury for contract replenishments and buybacks. 80% of the insurance treasury is dedicated to rewarding the last investors if the project slows down. 20% is allocated for contract replenishments. And if we scroll lower, here you have the contract balance, you have Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. I always highly encourage everyone to check out their social media when investing in these projects to get the latest updates and news. And if we take a look at the original BNB miner, Baked Beans, they currently have $11.7 million in their contract. And if we take a look at weed and dealers, they currently have $30,000 worth of BNB. It's still very early on to get involved for those awesome rewards. The potential for this project to grow is huge. I do like this concept. Just chill, invest in BNB, and repeat forever. This is miner season. All the money is rotating into these mining projects. Pick your poison. You will have better chances of making money when investing in these trends. I will leave all reference links under the description of this video if you want to get involved. And that is weed and dealers. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this project. Let me know which miners have been working out for you guys, and if you guys are going to jump in here with weed and dealers. That's going to do it for this one. If you guys made it this far, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Ring the notification bell for the latest DeFi projects. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.